Hey, buddy. How you doing? How you doing? You look so depressed. Oh, yeah, I know. You're a good boy. Oh, yeah, he almost got me. Good day, everybody. So what's up today? Well, we got a bit of stuff moved around. It doesn't look it, though. We've got a bit of a load on the truck started. That's going to be going tomorrow. Try to put some more stuff on here. Put this pressure washer hose on here and found that there's brass in the ends of it. So we're going to cut this stuff off here. Oh, there we go. Cut this stuff off. Cut that piece of brass off. That chair is aluminum, so we're going to cut cloth off it. Has some sheet steel and some stuff on the inside of your regular baseboard heaters. Got to cut this open. Get the number one of that. Got some number one inside the house and processing. Get that down here and cut it. So what are we up to today? We're going to be processing some stuff for the small scale of backs, not ferrous. But going to hook this on later this evening and throw the fridge on it at the dishwasher. And whatever else we can throw on here. Try to throw this on too. Get this out of here. So we got a lot of stuff on the go. Get that radiator done up. Oh my good heavens. Alrighty, so down here, what are we gonna do now? All kinds of small stuff we gotta take care of. But the small stuff is where the money's at. So I think we'll put this back over here. Can never keep anything organized for long here. Alright, that's what I kept that for. Let's pull that out. Alright, so we'll go ahead and pull that out if we can get it out. A little bit of copper here we'll go after. There we go, that's out. There's a bucket here. A bunch of stuff in there. We're going to be going through this bucket this evening and getting all the goodies out of there for non-ferrous in the morning. But that's just steel. Trying to unbury my this is what we're going to work on here. Oh, good heavens. Let's get that out here. Alright, so we're going to strip this aluminum out. Probably let me know there's somebody across the road. Get this all adjusted up here. That cut through, did it? Run it through the other side to find out. Nope. So, put it down a notch and run it through a couple of times on either side. And because this stuff is usually glued on. There we go. So it's hard to tell when you cut through. Pain in the butt, but this stuff here stripped is 65 cents a pound. Or it's it's a pain in the butt. Or it's only 23 cents a pound as it is. So definitely worth the time to just strip it down here. Because this piece here didn't cut through all the way. But I thought it did. So now we got a problem. Alright, bring it back down, get that later. That one cut through. I'm gonna put it through 4 times. So just cut different spots around, so it should peel off a lot easier. There we go. There we go. Look at that now. Nice piece of aluminum. That's a pain in the butt. Do the red ones first so we know we're set up for it. One, twice. And a fourth time. Now hopefully this will come off easy. There it is. Here we go, we got it right now, guys. Look at that. All that nice aluminum. It would be such a pain in the butt trying to strip these without a stripper. I'll tell you that much. Never tried it, never wanna. Well, this is my project. Try to use much of this stuff processed this evening. Load the trailer up. I'll take loading tomorrow afternoon. I'm gonna go get some groceries in the morning. And we're gonna go from there. Look at that. Money all day long. That was the last red one. Let's see if the black ones are the same thickness. They look like they are the same, so. Yes, they are. Look at that. One through. Yeah, sure. Probably get away with just running it through twice. But why not make it easier on yourself? And make bloody well short that it's true. So that way, it comes off like that. Instead of fighting with it like that first piece. Let's run these first couple pieces through here first. Then we'll just weigh it up here. We'll see what we got. I won't keep you here for the rest of it. I'll bring you back for the weight. And see what we got for weight of this a little bit. And we'll go from there, guys. See you in a sec. Alrighty, guys. So there's them done. Set the pound, set back to 0. Alright, let's see how much weight we got here. Not a lot. Yeah, 5 pounds. That's $3 for 10 minutes work. So that's $18 an hour. Not bad. Alrighty, that's one project done. Now, so this back up out of the way. You got all kinds of fun projects to do here. Oh, I left my stuff outside. Oh, anyways, let's see. The security bits are here. Try to find out which one it is because this came off of the gotta get out of here. This came off of the dishwasher, and the dishwasher interior door is stainless steel, and it has the exact same bit on it. Uh-oh. Maybe it's this one here. No. Let's try this one here. Let's try a little tiny one. This is my last chance. No. Alrighty, you bugger. So, that's just gonna make it harder to do, I guess. But they are scaredy bits now. Show you goodness when these work. That one was too big. This is the smallest one I have right here. It's not small enough. Ain't that a bugger? So, I won't be able to get that small piece of stainless off of the dishwasher, so I throw that on the truck when I go outside. This one, you just cut this off the grinder and salvage that piece of brass. That's no biggie. But there's two of these in there. Ouchie. Two pieces of copper. They were in the sink, one of the sinks out there. So, there's a couple good pieces of copper. Find something to put them in. So that's what we're doing today, guys. And we'll, I pop in later tonight, but that's probably the video. So, we got some work done. We've been getting at her, getting her done. Slowly but surely. I say I figure $2 here, $5 there, $10 there, and then the truckload of stuff. I'm trying to hit $200 mark for tomorrow's load. But you never know. You never know. So we'll have to throw that in the trailer because there's no room in the truck. And we got some aluminum out here. Got the bucket of shred there. That's just a wire off that off your power cable. It goes in the top power cable. That's just a ground wire off the outside of it. That's no good. So we're gonna call her there, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow at the scrap yard when we unload. Take care, guys. Y'all have a good night, and God bless.